valeting needs to go to the next level. And
Valeting and detailing.
Valeting
and detailing.
needs to go to the next level. He's decided he wants to go mobile. Obviously he's got his premises that he does the valeting from now, but he gets a few people now and again asking, can you come to me? Can you do it at my house? We decided I was going to jump on board because I'm a trusted, loyal friend that I am. Said, let's get it done. So the caddy that you've seen is now going to convert into a mobile valeting and detailing ting drinking is very bad. Isn't that right, mate? You doing, dickhead? So we've already been to a couple of places this morning. We're going to go and get a tank.
Yeah, got to go and get a tank. Been to one place. They can order it in. But we don't want to order it in, do we?
We don't want to wait.
Just want to get it. So we're going to another place. We've got it in stock. Just going to go and fetch that now. Hopefully it should fit in the back of the van. But, well, Gaz seems to think it's going to fit.
250 litres. It's nothing.
So EP3s are big in the back, but I don't think this tank's going to go in. But we'll find out, won't we? We'll see.
Give it a go.
It should be fun to watch. Two big dudes trying to fucking get a big tank in the back of an EP3.
Two lads, one tank.
Jesus Christ. The logical thing to have done would to be have just got the van that it's going in and put it in the back of the van, but we like to do things difficult, so
We like to do just spur of the moment. Let's do it. Just get it done.
Worst comes to worst, we just go back in the van, pick it up.
Or we pay a pound and have it delivered.
I think it's free. It's free delivery.
So we paid more to go and collect it ourselves. Oh, it's a flash. I don't think them work.
It's a screen, wasn't it?
Was it?
Yeah, on the lander.
I didn't think them speed cameras were there. They're all flashing us, by the way, with those speed. So yeah, we need to get the tank. Then we're going to VW dismantlers to go and get a bulkhead, a floor
Pan. Floor pan.
Yeah, because his is a crew cab, so we're going to convert it to a traditional van base. So we're going to have to drill all that out. Anyway, that'll be later on in the show.
So if you want to see how the van goes into a converted van for valeting, this will probably be like a pretty good video to watch, because it's a subject that like a lot of people want to know. They want to see how you do a van for valeting. So, and the way I want it is like it should be pretty good. It should be nicely done once it's finished. So
Yeah, so basically it's going to be two people that I have no idea what I'm doing. We know that. I'm an idiot.
I know I want it to look, but I don't have a clue either.
But you've got all the experience in the valeting.
Yeah.
So I'm just here for the journey.
I haven't got a clue with like building it, but I'm sure it can't be that hard.
Well, we've got the welder now. It is what it is. It's going to be fun. Look, basically that's my new one as well. So that's 6 tons for that.
Basically.
We're going to end up getting all the parts, what we think we need. Then we're going to convert the van to a van rather than a crew cab. And then we're going to
From a crew to a valeting to, well, yeah, from a crew to a normal van to a valeting van.
yeah, we don't know what we're doing, but no doubt it'll be fucking stupid and backwards and the wrong way around, because it's just the way we are.
Learn as we go.
That's it. You'll be there with us, you know what I mean? Not we'll be building a fucking Civic, which is, I don't know how far we are in that, but you know, manifold and the downpipe, which you might have already seen. I don't even know that either. Probably not, maybe, we'll see. But don't worry, the other projects are still happening, and we're still going drifting, and we're still going racing, and this is a bit of a sideline thing to help a brother out. Can I say that?
Brother from another mother.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Please say that. Is he too fucking... You can't say brother. What do you mean? I'm not going there.
Yeah, don't go.
Stop. We're almost there. Where is it? What's it called?
What? The place?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh.
It's just an
A
address.
distributor.
Yeah. It's people.
It's people. Good job we're in the Honda. Honda. Yeah, we're almost there now. I don't think we'll take you in because I'm not that brave. Are you?
No.
Are you ready to be putting camera all up in man's face? How about that life?
Not yet.
But what we will do is see if the tank actually fits into the car. That bit might be funny. As soon as we pay the money, we'll see you then. The battery fell out, sorry. Oh, what's happened there?
So we can see us or not.
So we've got the that in there. Is it going to fit? It should fit. Is it going to fit? Let's have a look.
The chair's down, I think. So move your seat.
Put the seat forward and then put it back. Watch me act. Watch me act. This one. Easy.
Like a glove, literally like that's like a millimetre.
See, he said it wouldn't fit. I had all the faith. Is it not going to fit?
No, it's fit.
Look at that, 10 out of 10. He's just got no faith, has he? We could actually turn the Civic into a mobile valet van. What do you reckon?
I reckon.
All the valeting here. And then got my keys out my pocket. Where are they? Oh.
Zim, man.
I'm doing them. Airwaves.
Do you need one?
I don't know, you smell.
I don't know, do I?
Oh no, don't smell it. I don't have one because I smell. I have one because I want the fresh Arctic air. We have to get out of here. Turning circle on this, how the best is it, more?
Track rack.
Is it fast rack? Is that what it's called?
Track rack.
Track rack.
That doesn't look like it's used, does it, that T5?
Touch my gloves. Say hello.
Alright then, isn't that? Quite nice.
It's small. A lot more garden.
Is he coming down here? No. It's such a random street to have cleaning centre on.
Don't worry, I'll just guess so I have actual cuss. Don't worry about setting the sat nav so we can get home.
Sorry mate, sorry.
I think it's just a straight bird, don't worry about it. Which way is it?
Yeah, just straight.
To the motorway!
This will take us to Darla. Good old trusty door.
Oh, my seat's like way far back now. It's better. So, motherfucking
So,
mission 1 complete. No, this is mission 2. Mission 1 was get all the tools. Mission 2 was get the tank. Do you know where we're going?
well, it can't be hard to find, can it?
No signs.
Yeah, we'll
We
be
didn't come this way.
We did.
I didn't come over these speed bumps.
Yeah, because there was that shop at the end.
We didn't go over these speed bumps.
We did?
Did we?
Yeah.
No.
There was that shop at the end there.
Ah, we did because I remember looking in there. Thinking I could just.
What?
Is that? We shut the windows because the new
So, hang on.
I was just
So,
going to say, like, give it a like. Because I need your feedback. Do you like this sort of shit or not? So what? You're saying so now?
So, mission 1,
Get the tools.
get the tools. Mission 2, get the tank.
Get the tank in the Civic.
Mission 3, breakers.
Take all this stuff to the unit. Because
Okay,
we ain't getting any more.
right here.
Put any more stuff in here. Hey, where have we gone, Bert? We went that way.
No, we didn't.
We did, because you should have gone left.
Because you said it's kizzing.
Yeah, but we should have kissed it.
Oh yeah, because I went round the wrong
You said
bend
you
there.
should have gone left back.
Yeah.
Laurel and Hardy, yeah?
So mission 3,
Mission
take
3.
this stuff back to the unit.
Back to the unit.
Mission 4,
No, back to the salon. Or the unit. Salon.
salon.
Salon?
Take to the salon.
Yeah. You reckon? Yeah, because you got a Valet, so I'm going to tinker around with the van. That's why we got the grinder and stuff, anyway.
Yeah, we need to go breakers.
Yeah, we're going to the salon now. Because the salon's on the way to the breakers, are you?
Yeah.
Which way is the quickest way? Is it straight over as quickest to yours, to the salon?
Right, probably.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, you motherfucker. I got no fuel.
Watch that beamer behind us.
What's the tankers, man?
White beamer.
What?
Computer colour.
Nah, I've already looked at his face. He had sunglasses on, staring at me. He might be police. Might be undercover.
Gotta watch the tech.
As soon as he heard the tech.
And these seatbelts are tight.
That's why I keep always adjusting mine. Anyway, so the plan now, off topic, all the time. Stop me. We're 5 minutes in and we're not talking about anything.
It's alright.
It is alright. Is it alright? I don't know.
You'd have to cut the cut.
And there's a woman, or even a bloke, trying to say it was police. Anyway, we're going to go to CUS SPEC Detailing now. I'm going to drop all this tat off. Then we're going to go to the scrapyard. Oh no, the dismantlers. You still call them scrapyards. They're
Scrapyards, breakers,
But
dismantler.
he's found a VW CADDY that's got a complete floor and rear. And we're going to go and cut it up and steal it. Take, buy everything. Whichever one is an option. Everyone's staring at me now because we're talking in traffic.
No fucking.
To a GoPro.
Do I know him? No. Do I know him? No. Do I know them? Do I know him?
Oh,
Do I know
while
him?
I got ya, you know what I mean? So I like dropping stuff on ya. CUS says that I need to up my game. At the moment I'm recording on a GoPro. Should I really buy a camera to do the vlogging?
More of an investment. Get out the road.
Should I have a risk walking in the road than going near that chap? Rona, it's got people crazy. So yeah, should I buy
Left.
a camera? Here's the drink in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Lloyd.
I always go, mate.
Yeah. Not plan yet. So should I up my camera game, or should I just stick with the GoPro? Let me know.
We need feedback.
Yeah, because the comments are just not interactive enough. They might be now because you're about 10 videos behind, so I'm talking back in July, June, July, whenever this is. You could be fully franchised by the time this even goes out.
Good bird.
Hopefully.
What was the face, mate?
No, I got all faith in you, mate. I mean, you gotta speculate to accumulate. That's what they say. Anyway, see you in a sec.